Hello, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we are going over these, everybody. Do not throw these mason jars away. This is like better than gold when it comes to the kitchen, especially when you're making stocks and when you're making your soups for the winter and even desserts in the summer. Okay, if you guys look at some of our YouTube tutorials, we use these kind of jars for our banana pudding. Banana pudding was placed inside, layered up all the way to the top. Everybody had their own personal banana puddings during the summertime. And you know what else is really good about it, you guys? The bananas didn't really like turn brown really quickly. Yes, that's the whole concept of this, because the air is so pressured when you close it, it's airtight and no air can get in and change the color of your bananas. Okay, so I'm telling you, don't throw these away, everybody. Now this is our favorite. Now mason jars have been around since the 1920s, everybody. Yes, they have. Yes, they have. And you can actually find these at like Walmart. You can buy those, or you can find them at the the thrift stores. Yeah, the thrift stores and Goodwill. Yeah, Goodwill sells them like $1.25 each. They used to be 99 cents each. Okay, now I just want to say this. The reason why it's so like gold here is because it's that time of the year, everybody. We are getting into the cold winter months, and you know, it's time for some soups. Time for some soups. Some stocks being boiled for the holidays. Holidays is coming up next week. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and we are ready to go, everybody. Yes, we are. So let me talk to you about this. Mason jars have been around for a long time. They're very great for like making your jams and your tomato sauces. Your tomato sauces by scratch, pruning, how you say, curing. How you say them tomatoes? You know how they put them canned tomatoes. Yeah, canned tomatoes is a good thing too. It's a whole lot of things you can do with these. Okay, now I suggest do not put these in the oven. They're really not oven friendly. Everybody hear that, okay? I've been seeing a whole lot of cute little things people make, like little cute cupcakes in jars, and they do cakes in jars and layer them all over the place, but they're really, pay attention to the descriptions, that these are not really oven friendly. Okay, they're not really supposed to be. They're cute when they turn out, but I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, now do your homework, do your research, but make sure you guys look at that, because tempered glass can break and shatter and cause injuries. So anyway, here we go. We love classical. Classical is one of our favorite sauces. This is not a paid promotion. We're not being we're not being compensated for that, monetized. Right, exactly. So I just want to say we love this in our family. We love this stuff. This is some good stuff. So anyway, we use roasted garlic. We use the basil. We use the garlic one. And we also use the Parmesan, whatever it may be, mushrooms, sausage, whatever, right? But I just want to say this. Don't throw them away. Do not throw them away. Because if you soak them in water for a while, like, look at this. The label comes right off. And then once that is done, you put soap in water, and I put bleach in here. I let it sit for like a couple of days to get the acidity of the smell of the tomato sauce out of it. Then I put it in my dishwasher, everybody. You can just put it right in the dishwasher, but not with the labels on it, because it'll be a big mess of all the labels and stickiness all over your dishes, everybody. So don't do that, okay? But you go ahead and keep that. This is a really good thing to have, everybody. So once the label comes off, here we go. This is what the jar looks like. We have to shake it on up, shake it, and everything. Keep on coming and shaking it throughout the day, and making sure that the nice suds and bleach gets all over into the jar really nice and beautifully, so we get away that smell. So anyway, but look, it's a really, really nice jar to have, and these will also come in handy for drinks. We do our drinks in this for the summertime as well. There's nothing good like a good old lemon spice punch or lemon lemonade, Powerade, whatever it may be. Always in jars with ice. It's good for the NFL games. This is a year-long time of having mason jars around. So this is how it looks when it's nice and clean. It's been through the dishwasher. We just love how it turned out, everybody. Look at this. This is really nice. And guess what? It says Mason on it. See that? It says Mason. So this is some really thick glass. This is really good stuff. So I just want to say, there's always gold when you find it in the store. Keep your mason jars. Don't have 100 of them. But I'd say at least have, you know, a good 20, 25, 30, or whatever. And you can always, because we're going to make our stock soon for for Thanksgiving. We always do this pre-packing first. So we always do the pre-cooking, pre-cutting, all that stuff. We make our sauces. The stock's going to go into these jars here. We're going to put them in the refrigerator, and they're going to be ready to go, everybody. That's how simple it is. It's very simple. You can do that to your soup stocks. You can do a chicken stock, beef stock, fish stock, and vegetarian stock. Okay, so anyway, I just want to say there's more coming to Mama Soul Kitchen soon. Make sure you guys follow us for more on our YouTube channel. And don't throw away your mason jars, everybody, because these are really good to have. These are wonderful. All right, you guys, happy holidays, and we'll see you on the next segment coming soon. See you soon. And go check out that banana pudding in the mason jar. Bye, everybody. Bye.